I don't know if you have also problems with the sticky stuff when you recycle some bottles. The label is glued with them. But today I'm going to test coconut oil, turpentine, grease and WD-40 to see how each one of them act with this gluey, sticky stuff. I already used some dish soap and that didn't work at all. I'm first going to try some acetone because normally it was the first thing that came up in my mind to use for something like that. So let's start with a little bit of acetone. I don't think that worked at all. So, it just got more stuck. Oh yes. So first we are going to use WD-40. I'm just going to show it a little bit. I just put a little bit in the bowl so that I can use it with my finger. I'm going to let it rest for a moment. Let's try the next one. Okay, let's put it that side. A little bit of grease. Also let it a little bit rest. And I'm going to put some turpentine on. I can feel it. Turpentine melts it, definitely. Let us rest that. Now for a little bit of coconut oil. Let's see if it is kind of like that. Okay, let's go back to the WD-40 and just see what happens. Okay, well, it worked a little bit, but let's put on a second coating and also let it just stand there for a moment. Now for the grease. No, I don't think the grease did anything. No, surely the grease didn't do anything. It's still sticky. Yes, parts of the cloth stick to the glue. So we put it aside. Now for a turpentine. Oh, definitely. I can feel it worked, but I can't say all the way. Not sure if you can see it clearly, but there is still sticky stuff there. So let's put a second batch of turpentine on and wait a little bit with that also. Okay, now for the coconut oil. It worked a little bit, but it's not as good as WD-40 or turpentine, but it worked. Let's put the second coating on of the coconut oil. We must remember that I'm just using my finger, yeah. Okay, let's go back to WD-40. Well, there is still a little bit that is sticking to the glass. Now for the turpentine. Well, it looks like it is off. Yes. I don't think a little bit, but this is off. Okay, definitely the turpentine work at a second stage. Now for the coconut oil. Oh my, it's mostly gone, but there is still a little bit sticking. So turpentine is the winner. We're going to just check quickly, use it straight away from the beginning. I'm going to use turpentine because it's the winner. So on the glove, and I'm just going to clean the bottle. Now we can see if it works. This was, yes, quickly. This was the one that I tasted the acetone on. And there it is. Just like that. That was quick. No, definitely. The turpentine wins. Of course, to get rid of the dates that is printed on the glass, acetone always worked for that. Quickly. That was really quick. So my conclusion is that turpentine works well, and I will use it in the future. Now I'm just going to wash the jars, then they are ready for use. I am going to add some links on the top so you can go and check a few of that videos out. Please subscribe and follow me for the rest of my journey. Thank you very much. Bye.